being Deloittians, we wanted to be rather perfect about how we arrive here. So in this beautiful executive lounge that I'm talking to you from, we have 5 little sitting rooms, each of them themed around SAP functionality. SAP functionality in partnership with UiPath, with AWS, but specifically working with the SAP Partner Alliance to talk BTP, to talk AI, to talk cloud in general, and to share the learning experiences with clients, prospects, and anybody that just wants education to come through and learn with us today. So there you go. That's part 1 of our rather nice, interesting journey. Part 2 is tomorrow, where we have a dedicated audience of what I call C-suite invitees, where we'll talk further on the topics you heard me scribe and talk about a moment ago.
Really looking forward to spending the next couple of days with clients, really talking about how do we convert their vision into value through SAP-enabled transformations, using AI, using agentic. So very excited about that. We're also really excited about all of the alliances and partnerships that we have with UiPath, with AWS, and with all of our alliance partners in creating this experience for our clients in a very meaningful way.
Sitting with technology executives has been an amazing experience, and as I continue to do that into the future, really my hope and my objective is to wish to see how we can look to, as a community, build the disruption for technology for Africa for good.
Thank you ever so much for inviting me and the UiPath team to join Deloitte here at SAPHILA. We're having a great time, and we're very excited to bring the latest innovation in AI and automation to Deloitte and your SAP clients in Africa.
The collaboration between Deloitte and SAP is very important, because sustainability is a team effort.
We spent the last couple of days at SAPHILA manning the Deloitte and AWS booth. Had lots of fun, some robust discussions with clients. Looking forward to picking those up with our clients further.
It is an exciting time. It's an exciting time to be in the professional services space in this with all of the AI innovations that are coming through. And I think it's really exciting, and I just want to get that opportunity to actually seek out that value and prove that value to our client base in terms of some of the products.